Hello everyone, welcome back to 英語英会話一日一言. So today we will be doing the same thing. I will say an English phrase and I want you to write it down on a piece of paper or whatever, okay? So I will say the phrase twice. Are you guys ready? Here it is. It took an hour and a half. It took an hour and a half. Write it down and then we'll talk about what it means. Okay, the answer is, it took an hour and a half. It took an hour and a half. So this phrase is a way to express how long something lasted. When you say it took an hour and a half, you're indicating that the activity lasted for 90 minutes. Okay, so let's practice saying it together. So we would usually say, we would usually connect all the words and say, it took an hour and a half. Okay, it took an hour and a half. You don't have to say it like that, but you would sound a little more like native speaker-like if you connect all the words together. And it's also good for your listening. If you pronounce the phrase with all the words together, when you hear it, you'll hear it. So if you keep saying, it took an hour and a half, then if a native speaker says it took an hour and a half, it'd be a little difficult to understand. But if you say it in the same way, when you hear the same thing, of course you're going to understand. So try to remember the pronunciation and try to put all the words together, okay? So let's do this once slowly and then at regular speed, okay? So first, slowly. It took an hour and a half. Okay, let's do that again. It took an hour and a half. Sounds good. All right, now at normal speed. It took an hour and a half. Again, it took an hour and a half. Okay, so there are other variations. Well, I wouldn't really say variations, but for example, if you were cooking a special dinner, you might say it took an hour and a half to prepare everything, to prepare this dinner. Okay, or if you were watching a short movie, you could say the movie was great. It took an hour and a half. Or the movie was great. It lasted for an hour and a half. Okay, so I guess we'll just end it there. And as always, I'd love to hear from you. So can you think of a recent activity that took an hour and a half? Maybe a journey, a trip, a study session, or a long walk, whatever. Share your experiences in the comments section below. All right, okay, so thank you very much for watching today's 英語英会話一日一言. Remember to practice this phrase and use it next time you need to describe the duration of an activity. Okay, and for you beginners, my entire script, not the whole script, but most of the script, most of what I said is in the details section. Or you can always use the subtitles function on YouTube and check out what I was saying. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next video lesson. And while you wait, have a good one. Bye.